दीपा जी रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू कर रहे हैं क्या?
कर दिया।
हाँ।
So, hi everyone, Green Magic. Always look forward to these Zoom sessions with so many wonderful, talented people. So, just sharing a little bit of what I know from pot to plate and focusing on salads. So, let me start with something very basic. What are salads? Anybody can chat or even unmute themselves and give me the answers. What do we classify as salads?
Salad, anything which you eat raw.
Anything raw and green.
Yes, fresh.
Okay, so yes, that's the basic definition of salad. So any dish which has one or more raw ingredients, which has mixed food like vegetables and fruit or nuts and seeds, some
I like
spices and some
Mediterranean
herbs.
salad and Greek salads. They have a lot of variety, you know. And of course, हमारा जो वो salad होता है, कौन सा बोलते हो आप? कुतरा salad, छोटे छोटे जो कट के सब कुछ मिला दो आप.
Kachumbar salad.
That's the best.
That's the best. And salads की एक खासियत है, they are usually served cold or at room temperature. Very seldom would you serve them warm. So this is the basic classification of a salad. See why this classification? Because it helps to understand how we classify our foods. What is an appetizer? What is a salad? What is a main course? What is a dessert? And so on and so forth. Now, how are they served? So they can be served in three ways. They can be served as an appetizer. They can be served in the main course and they can be served as a dessert. Yes, that's right. Salads are also served as desserts. So, of course, they will be with a sweet tinge, with maybe a date paste or a hung curd and some sugar and honey. They will seldom have salt when they are served as desserts. Okay, so now what are the types of salads? Commonly, especially in the Indian context, आजकल हम क्या करते हैं? बस हरी फल सब्जियां जो भी है उनको raw mix किया, salt pepper डाला, नींबू डाला और खा लिया. That is the easiest way that we have it. And we Indians are very fond of green salads, especially winter time, summer time, all different types of fresh fruit and vegetables available. So we have the green salad, as I've just spoken. We have the veg salad. Now this would be a newer term to everyone. So what is a veg salad? Veg salad is nothing. It's just a fancy name given. So you have a full bowl of or a bunch of say salad leaves or an iceberg lettuce, which is halved or quartered. And you place the salad on top of it, pile it on top, all the ingredients, whether it's a fruit salad or a vegetable salad. So that makes up for a veg salad. Then we have the fruit salad, as the name suggests. I don't need to say anything on that. Then we have the rice or the pasta or the noodle salad, very popular these days. Then we have the sprouts salads. One we have is the bound salad. Now, what do you mean by bound salad? As the name suggests, it's basically something which is held together or bound together. It's not like loose, it's not crumbly or it's not flowy. What is it bound by? So it's assembled together with thick sauces such as mayonnaise. One example is Russian salad. We can have the macaroni salad, we can have the potato salad, and so on and so forth. So they come under the category of bound salads. Then we have the coleslaw is also a part of a bound salad. Then we have the dinner salads, which is served with the main course. And then we have the dessert salads. Now, what is the difference between dessert salads and the normal salads that we have? Anyone? Could anyone just unmute themselves and so dessert salads are those which do not include any leafy greens. They are sweet. They can be made up with gelatin or cream, whipped cream or hung curd. Excuse me. And normally dessert salads we like to have after a meal. You can have them with a meal. You can even have them in between as a snack because they are so filling. So that is mainly about the types of salads. Now, to enhance a salad, what should we do? When we go out for a party or we go out to meet friends or just even for say tea or coffee,
Hello.
what do we do? We dress up.
Hello.
Right. So
Yes.
food looks very palatable when it is dressed up. So presentation, flavor, and everything is enhanced by sauces. Now
मुझे
the
कुछ नहीं
sauce
चाहिए,
need not be a
thank you.
ready sauce. You can very easily make them at home. And these dressings are very simple. The ones that I am going to talk about today are very, very simple to do with the ingredients that you have available at home. And nothing too complicated, because ultimately it has to be a time saver, yet a taste enhancer. So that I will come to later on. Now, how to retain the freshness. See, salads are best when they are crisp, when they are fresh, when they are crunchy. Otherwise, we have cooked vegetables. Isn't that so? सब्जी अगर ज्यादा क्रंची होती है तो बहुत स्वाद नहीं आता if it's chewy. But salads on the other hand should always be crunchy and not too chewy. मतलब it should not be like leathery या बहुत चबाना पड़े या बहुत उसको मुश्किल हो. But yes, it should, जब खाएं तो करारा लगना चाहिए. That you should hear that crunch between your teeth. Mostly, of course, dessert salads are an exception. Some other salads, even the sprout salads are an exception. You won't like to crunch the sprouts, else you'll end up grinding your teeth. So how to retain the freshness? We all know, I think most of us have been doing that. Wash them well in cold water. If need be, soak in chilled water. And best way to cut salad leaves, anyone? So the best way is to tear them. Yes, right. Absolutely right, Deepaji. Best is to pull them apart. Best is to tear them, not cut them. And another thing is to refrigerate it before serving. See, once you've soaked your greens, once you've soaked, especially the leafy salads, the baby spinach or the bok choy or the salad leaves, the lettuce leaves, whole variety of lettuce leaves available. So soak them in water, drain them, and tear them, and just mix up your salad and then put them in the refrigerator. So it will retain the crunchiness. Now in winters, you will wonder, how can you have a refrigerated salad? Just take it out a little while before you want to eat it. It will not really get that cold. You can still have it. And the third part is tossing instead of mixing. So I just have one here. So this is one thing that you can just toss up your salad with, a pair of hands, extra hands. This helps a lot. So when you mix it, the texture gets spoiled and the leaves become a little soggy. And if you have, say, oranges or any soft fruit in it, that again becomes soggy. So tossing is important instead of mixing. And last but not the least, if you have a dressing, so pour it on top and toss it just before serving. So all this will retain the color, the texture, and the crunchiness of your salad. So आपका salad बहुत mushy नहीं होगा. And mostly when you add salt, तो salt डालने के बाद में हमेशा salad पानी छोड़ता है. So आप notice करेंगे ऊपर तो ठीक है, सब नीचे पानी हो गया. Nobody wants to have that water. Although it tastes amazing when you put it in your dal or raita and mix it and have it, but the flavor is taken away. So pour it just before serving. Pour it on top and just toss it lightly. So that is more about salads and the theory part. So what I'll do is I'll just switch off my camera for a minute and readjust it so that I can just give you a demo of 1 or 2 salads. In the meantime, I think everybody can chit chat. Just give me a minute.
People unmute yourselves and chit chat while Amita's coming back. Nobody wants to chit chat, only so much concentration.
सब सो रहे हैं क्या?
इतनी concentration से wait कर रहे हैं.
Eagerly waiting.
आ गई भैया, आ गई.
So am I audible?
कर लो.
Yes.
So everybody can see me and hear me, and I'll just take you around with what all I've laid here.
Okay, look forward to it.
And trust me, most of it is from my garden.
Oh, wow.
So this is my plate of 3 types of salad leaves from my garden.
These all are from your garden?
Sorry, Rasham?
All are from your garden, these lettuce leaves?
Yes, these are all from my garden.
Wow.
And This again is from my garden. So this is parsley, this is baby spinach, these are rocket leaves, and these are chives. So chives, as you all know, these are onion chives. So I'm just holding it closer to the camera. So this is baby spinach. This is parsley. So I had dipped all of these in water and kept them for about an hour. And you can see I drained them out, and it's been more than 2 hours and they are still fresh.
Very fresh.
Rocket. So always try and pluck the tender leaves rather than, see, even if you see here, these are more of the tender leaves. The tender leaves will have more of taste and freshness. And of course, adding some edible flowers, we have nasturtium. Nasturtium leaves might be a little bitter. So again, look for the smaller leaves. And nasturtium flowers can be used for decoration as well as added to a salad. Here I have my palette of herbs. So I have 2 types of oregano. Here, this is oregano. This is dill and fennel mixed because I grew it in the same pot, made a mistake. This is thyme and rosemary. And this is mint, pudina. And this is the small leafed oregano. So this is my herb platter. And okay, the bell peppers are not from my garden. Let me be very honest. These are market bought because my bell peppers have still not come out. The tomatoes, the mooli, and this is all from my garden. And this is what is left after the rats have left it. This time I've had a very bad experience with rats. ये वही टमाटर है जिसकी फोटो मैंने सुबह डाली थी.
Okay, wow. Nice.
You can see this still green.
Yes.
Okay, and here. So this is another tongs which is very handy in picking up salads, especially the noodle salads. This is again dhania from the garden. This is celery.
Okay.
And this is kale.
Great. Kale. Wow.
Oh.
So,
Amita, you got rosemary and thyme from seedlings or you grew them from seeds?
no, I did not grow them from seeds. My experience from seeds has been quite pathetic in growing herbs. So I generally got saplings and then I developed them here only.
And where do you get the saplings? Because we've been looking for them this year, never got anywhere.
This time I got them from Yogi, and 1 or 2 I got from friends here and there. So that's how this got sorted out. Now this platter, nothing is from home, unfortunately, but इसमें कुछ चीजें आपके घर में आ सकती हैं. This is bell pepper, this is kheera, tomato, beans, shimla mirch, and corn. So corn can be substituted with baby corn. So इसमें सब चीजें आपके घर में से भी आ सकती हैं. So it is not why I picked this salad is because you have the possibility of making it from your homegrown greens. Because beans we all grow. Bell peppers might be a slight challenge. You can add them, you may omit them. So these salads, you can be very experimental. Corn can be replaced with baby corn. Like now in summers, I'll sow baby corn. I use my homegrown corn. Again, tomatoes are always there and cucumbers are always there. So that is. And here I have this, I don't know if everybody can see, I can pick up one by one, show you. So here are the seeds. I have some nuts here. Of course, these are not homegrown. Nothing is homegrown. All market bought.
Yes.
Almonds and walnuts and few cashew. I avoid cashew, but sometimes I do. So here I have sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds and melon seeds and till. This is about the seeds. So seeds and nuts really enhance the flavor. They add a little crunch, extra crunch to the salad, and of course, loads of nutrition. Now here is my spice tray. So I'm not going to lift it up. I have lemon juice. I have powdered oregano, homegrown oregano, which has been dried and then crushed. And salt, little powdered sugar, pepper, and lemon juice. And I'm not sure if everybody can see here. And so this is olive oil, which I usually use. This is sesame oil. Winters is very good for using sesame oil. So sesame oil, this is thanks to Induji, organic, ordered from her, which I've been using a lot. And vinegar. Vinegar can be the normal synthetic vinegar. You can use natural vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar, not everyone likes the taste because it's stronger than the white vinegar. So that please take your pick. It can be changed. And here is maple syrup as a sweetener. And this is honey. And again, salt. And here is, I use this to crush my nuts. I always use stone round ones because they enhance the flavor. I avoid using metal for crushing the nuts.
मैंने कहा इसको कल रख देंगे.
Quickly make one salad.
कॉपी करनी है तो फिर क्या बात है जबरदस्त.
May I request other people to please mute yourself? Amita, 1 minute. Yeah, somebody is talking about kal kar lenge. Can't hear you then.
Okay. So one salad, I'm going to make a very simple one. That is using this. This is corn, the bell peppers. It's a very simple one, but a great taste enhancer. जैसे रशम ने बोला था ना कचुम्बर, but the difference will lie in the dressing and some freshly cut coriander. So again, as I mentioned, I am just going to lightly toss it. Now, when you do it with a spoon, it tends to get a little crushed. And here, so we have the mixture ready. Now to make the dressing, this is a very simple dressing. I'm going to add salt, pepper. This is all freshly ground. So if you can see, it'll still have some big pieces of uncrushed pepper. The less you crush it finely, the better the flavor is. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Here is my powdered oregano. Here is my lemon juice. So now olive oil and sesame oil can be used interchangeably. Some don't like the flavor of sesame oil, can take olive oil. Now olive oil, I would always recommend using extra virgin and in a glass bottle. That retains the flavor. And just a little bit of vinegar. So I'm using the market vinegar because most people in my house, except my kids and me, they don't like the flavor of apple cider vinegar. And for dressings, I always keep glass bottles. They enhance the flavor. Just give it a nice shake. Ideally, you should keep this for about 1 hour or so. Why 1 hour? Because whenever we are using powdered herbs, for them to release flavor, it takes a while because we have oil, we have lemon juice, we have vinegar. So it's always good. But nonetheless, if you want to pour it immediately, you can do that. So here, just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to pour it. Some salad into this. Give it a nice shake. And here, just I'm going to decorate it a bit. And here, one of the salad bowl is ready. Okay, so this is one bowl. Now, this one, again, you can mix up all the things and just pile them on top of it. So I'm just going to give a few salad options, which can be, now coleslaw or bound salads look very good on a platter or like this. So I'm going to request Anita ji to just do a screen share, allow me to screen share, and I'm going to share a few images. So I'm just going to switch off my
Already
camera
allowed.
for a while.
Already allowed. Already allowed.
Okay, okay, so just give me a minute. Okay, so I hope the screen just. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a quinoa salad. I'll just move it closer so that manage it better. So what you're seeing on screen is a quinoa salad, and I'm going to take you. So this is just boiled quinoa. I've made that bottom layer with boiled quinoa. I've topped it with a layer of boiled rajma. And then I've topped it with a layer of hung curd. Hung curd, just salt and pepper. And the quinoa also has just pepper. And this just added these chopped vegetables on top. And this is how it looks when you take it out. So this is a whole meal in itself. This is not an accompaniment. And no spices or no hassle at all. Quinoa, you can just soak it for a few minutes and just boil it. It just takes about 10 minutes to boil. And then you can just separate it with a fork and do it. You can also use millets for this, the various types of millets. So quinoa, millets, they are all interchangeable. This one is with millets. I'll show you one with quinoa. Okay, so this is another salad. This is a beetroot and quinoa salad. Again, this is a very simple one. What I've done is these are homegrown beets. Now I don't have beets any longer. Otherwise, I would have shown this. So you just wrap the beets in foil.
Amita, we can see all the folder, all the pictures in the folder. So if you could click on the individual one and enlarge it, then we don't need to look at all from 1 to 18.
Okay, I thought I'm.
Okay, no, we are looking at the folder. The last one being garnished with rose petals.
Okay, wait. So then let me start the share again. And
9 minutes left, people.
Okay, quickly. Okay, fine. So is this better? Now can you see?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So this is the first one where I mentioned the millet salad or the quinoa salad. Millets and quinoa can be interchangeably used. And this is how I'd explain how it looks from top. And this is the layer through and through. You can see the quinoa base. I don't think you can see the rajma. Rajma, you can use cooked rajma also.
Yeah, we can see.
Yes, here you can see a couple of rajma pieces in the front. So this is the quinoa or the millet salad. Here is the beetroot and the quinoa salad. So the beetroot I've just wrapped in foil and baked them in the oven, taken them out, just chopped them. And it takes about 20-25 minutes in the oven. So you can boil them also. That's also a way of doing it. So the bottom layer is just greens, salad leaves, rocket leaves, whatever you wish to. Then is a layer of beetroot. Then is a layer of quinoa or millets, whatever you wish to. Then is cheese. It can be feta cheese, it can be goat cheese, it can even be paneer. It tastes amazing. Here are you can see it closer. This is cheese. And then topped it up with little roasted nuts. And for the dressing, there's nothing, just orange juice, a very simple dressing that I can tell you. This is orange juice with olive oil, with little mustard, salt, and pepper. And again, you put it in a jar. Here, I've just taken a picture. So this is with orange juice. It tastes amazing with orange juice. So mustard, you can even add the mustard powder. You may not add the mustard sauce. You can add the mustard powder to it.
Okay.
So this is again from my garden, one of the salads that I make very often. So we have apple. Apple is not from my garden. Rest all is from my garden. We have the kohlrabi or the gant gobi, which I just showed you. I have the gol mooli and the chives and the parsley and dill and baby spinach, celery and soya saag. And this is the salad I made. So you cut it into thin strips, just like fingers. Just the apple, the mooli, and the gant gobi and all these spices. And again, simple salt, pepper, olive oil, lemon juice, orange juice, whatever you wish to.
Beautiful, very nice.
So this is again another one. This is with pomelo or grapefruit. So this again has apple, grapefruit, and pomegranate and lots of greens. So you can add cucumber also to it. Tomato should not be added to a fruit salad because it's a slightly strong flavored one. It will not bring out the flavor of the fruit, especially if you have a slightly sweeter fruit and a khatta fruit both. So pomegranate is sweet, apple is on the sweeter side, and pomelo is on the citrus side. So no tomatoes to be added in this. And just a pinch of honey, salt, pepper, olive oil, and maple syrup or honey, whatever you wish to, just to add that dash of sweetness. So harsingar flowers again are edible. So you can use them to add color. You can enhance them. You can use them for the sweet salads or the dessert salads. So these are my homegrown desi gulab. Once they're about to fall off, I take off the leaves and dry them. And you can add them to your desserts or garnish them with it. So I can stop the screen share right now. Okay, and I can just show you a tray where I'm drying my homegrown rose petals. So this is my tray of homegrown desi gulab petals. And while it's drying, it still gives out the fragrance. So the recipes I can share on the group one by one because they're basic ingredients that you need to add to enhance your salads. Simple, you can have the Greek yogurt or the hunkered dressing. Again, you can also add some minced garlic or ginger to it, especially with hunkered. It really brings out the flavor. Now you can substitute them with dried powders also, but I prefer the fresh ones. So instead of garlic, minced garlic, you can have the garlic powder. Instead of parsley, you can have the dried parsley. So this is for summers. When this is I would say, sequel to Radhika ji's session. She taught us how to preserve herbs, pickles, and all those things. So you preserve the herbs that grow in winter and use them in summers, especially because the curd dressing tastes amazing in summers. Summers mein sabko dahi acha bhi lagta hai. And you can have the minced chives, salt, black pepper, mustard, lemon, anything. And you can have a chili lime dressing. You can have a honey mustard dressing. So honey mustard is basically mustard, honey, extra virgin olive oil, vinegar or apple cider vinegar, salt, and black pepper. So I'll put them up on the group one by one so that everybody can note them down. The most popular is the Italian salad dressing. Again, based on olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. You can add, those of you who have wine, can add half a cup of wine to it. It really brings out the flavor. Red wine, not the white wine. Then you can add some grated cheese for more flavor. You can have minced parsley. You can have a diced onion, a very finely diced onion, and juice of a lemon, and then fresh basil. I forgot to get basil actually. Amazing, lots of basil growing in the garden. It completely slipped my mind. Oregano, and again garlic. Now one thing important is that all these dressings should be kept in a glass jar or a glass bottle and just give them a nice shake, and you can store them for at least a week, especially the ones with olive oil. With hunkered, you can store them for maybe 3-4 days, not longer, especially in this weather. In summers, winters, yes, it can stay longer. So you can prepare your salad dressing in advance. So if you have any dinner or get together or party at home, so you don't need to fret over who's going to prepare the salad last minute. It can be done well in advance. And the more you keep them, the dressing especially, say for a day or 2 days or 3 days, the better flavor it will be. So that's all from my side. if anybody has any questions or any other inputs, because it's great to learn from everyone.
2 minutes left. Rashmi and Amita, are we extending, coming back, or are we done for the session?
From my side, it's done, Anita ji. If anybody would like to ask, Rasham ji is on mute.
Can we use carrot, ma'am?
Yes, you can use carrot. So I did not, I forgot, there are so many ingredients, something always slips your mind. But carrot I generally like to avoid because carrot is quite hard as compared to the other ingredients that you usually put in salads. If you want to put carrot, I prefer to grate it from the thicker side. सबसे मोटी side जो होती है कद्दूकस वाली, उससे आप grate करके डालिए तो भी अच्छी लगती है, या फिर बहुत finely chop करके. But carrots, yes, they do very well.
Shilpanjali, in the north, we make a salad with grated carrot and mooli because the sweetness counters the tikha, this thing of the mooli, and just with nimbu and namak and pepper and dhania.
So see, this is जितना जो creative हो सकता है, जितने combinations जो सोच सकता है, ingredients भी बहुत सारे हैं और कुछ भी कर सकते आप. Nuts और seeds मैंने इस salad में नहीं डाले because इस salad में this is basically an Italian based salad, Italian cum Mexican, so it doesn't look taste very good with this salad. But in most salads, if you notice, मैंने पहले भी जो images दिखाई थी उनमें सब में मैंने nuts और seeds बहुत सारे डाले हैं और winter time में तो nuts और seeds बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. They really enhance and bring out the flavor.
Especially walnuts with the hung curd and the garlic.
And Amita, one question. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
You're plucking the salads from your garden for making salads. I mean, whatever produce you have in the pots. So you do it in advance. How much in advance you pluck it? जैसे आज salad बनाना है, तो you.
Can I ask? Amita, I want to ask, ये apple cider, how do you use it?
See, apple cider वैसे तो मैं पानी में लेती हूँ अक्सर, but आप अगर salads में डाल रहे हैं तो 1 चम्मच आप salads में डाल दीजिए, 1 चम्मच या 2 चम्मच, depending on taste. Taste you have to tweak according to your liking.
Okay, क्योंकि इसका taste बहुत तीखा होता है, इसका taste ना. मैं भी खाने के बाद पानी में लेती हूँ कभी-कभी, not regular. But isn't it very sharp?
It should not be taken because it's acidic in nature.
Acidic, okay. But in salads we can use?
Yes, you can use apple cider vinegar. But only thing is you have to set the quantity according to your taste. और जिस salad में आप हल्का सा मीठा डाल रहे हैं ना, उसमें डालिए.
Okay.
Normal salads में मत डालिए. हाँ, हल्का तो खट्टा मीठा taste फिर वो balance out हो जाएगा.
Okay, thank you. Normal जो हम बनाते हैं.
हाँ, definitely ये synthetic vinegar से better है. Apple cider vinegar. आपको प्योर मिल जाएगा, जैसे हिमाचल प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट का आता है, that is the pure apple cider vinegar, that is very good. या फिर organic मिल जाए, तो that should be preferred.
Okay, thank you.
Amita, कितना एडवांस में salads तोड़ते हो अपने pot से when you want to serve it?
Generally, I pluck it the same day because that's the whole idea of plucking from pot to plate.
Okay.
When you have to buy it from the market, then it's a challenge. और वैसे भी आप अगर देखेंगे, घर की आप जो भी तोड़ेंगे, if you pluck it even in advance, like I plucked it in the morning, I plucked it a little before lunch. Even if I pluck it in the morning, they will become a little limp by afternoon or evening. But you soak them in water, they will get their crispness back.
Okay.
Their crunch उनका वापस आ जाता है. That is the advantage of homegrown vegetables. But if you buy from the market, and those you try, if they become limp, they generally do not become crisp again. But वो limp होने में ही बहुत time लग जाता है because इतने उसमें chemicals और fertilizers डले हुए होते हैं कि वो जल्दी से limp होते ही नहीं है. They will keep looking like that.
Another thing, any suggestions what should we grow for summer salads now? Since it's a time to.
Purslane is very good as salads. Malabar spinach is very good as salads.
Okay.
And spinach grows in summer as well. So you can have baby spinach also for salad.
Okay. But these all need shade or in the sun it must be burning?
No, they grow in sun as well. And they can grow quite well.
All right.
And you have the other spinach also, watercress spinach.
Okay.
So that also grows very well. These are all summer greens. So
because
you can,
the salads much more, but options are so less, no, in summers.
नहीं options कम नहीं है, greens के भी options कम नहीं है. Relatively, yes, you might feel as compared to winters, but summers के भी options बहुत है. और summer में तो खीरा ही खाने में इतना अच्छा लगता है. और खीरे की आप कितने तरीके से बना सकते हैं. You just change the dressing and it changes the flavor. The whole idea of a dressing is that it changes the flavor of what you are eating. You may be eating the same thing, but it can always change. And purslane is great. थोड़ा खट्टा मीठा स्वाद आता है उसका, खट्टा खट्टा, and it tastes very good.
Just उसके जो पत्ते होते हैं वो तोड़ के डाल दो बस.
No, you can take the tender stems also, and you can use them as stir fries as well.
Right. And cherry tomatoes अभी summers में होते हैं क्या grow?
नहीं, summer में तो नहीं होते north में. My cherry tomatoes are a little delayed. That's why I don't have any cherry tomatoes. I didn't want to buy much from the market because since this is on home growing, so I
focus is pots to plates. That was the topic.
So what you're seeing here, 95% is from my garden.
Garden only. That's the whole idea, actually. No?
So that was the whole idea. So only the bell peppers, because my bell peppers are still very small. In fact, they are just forming, and my cherry tomatoes are still very small. So obviously, those
you can always miss and skip quite a few things which you don't have and add on whatever you have.
Yes.
So flexibility of salad is there. That's why.
Yes, absolutely. And
but you showed excellent spread in your platters. Beautiful they were. And of course, the only thing we missed is just eating them. That's it.
I wish. No, I'm just hoping that things settle down soon and we can all meet physically. So, we can make use of everyone's culinary skills. I'm sure everyone is a great cook and everyone has their own way of cooking and own style of cooking. And with the same ingredients, the same salad, the taste can be so different.
Right. Agree.
Right.
Time comes soon that we can meet in person and
interview
whatever you are making and all that.
Resham, we should have a meeting soon with all these, dishes and salads and all,
So, summer's raw papaya salad is a great option.
Yeah.
And,
we can do one thing, like we can always eat in the Habitat Center foyer if people agree. Because that's a very convenient place for everyone and it's beautiful ambience too. So we can decide to meet next week or sometime, whoever can make it.
Yeah, whoever can join.
The foyer only, because the fireplace is beautiful in Habitat Center. No?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But do they allow us to bring our food?
I mean, we meet it maybe at 3 o'clock or so, where you don't need to bring your food, just whatever you feel like, little snack or.
Okay.
See, for food, we can do it in any park. We don't need a venue for that.
Maybe we can go.
Oh, yes.
Let's do it at Lodi Gardens then. That's the best place actually.
So we can do it at any park.
Sundar Nursery?
Sundar Nursery, दूर भी हो
जाता
है.
Can I stop recording now, people?
Oh, yes.
I think so.